News now from Bengaluru, and a day after a 29-year-old woman's chopped body, chopped up into pieces, was discovered inside a refrigerator in a room in Bengaluru. The National Commission for Women has taken cognizance of the crime. It has now directed the state police to expedite the arrest of all involved and ensure a thorough, time-bound investigation. A detailed report is expected within 3 days. Now, the police has confirmed that they have identified the prime suspect, and it's a gruesome crime. The woman's body was allegedly cut into over 50 pieces and was found stuffed in a refrigerator, prompting immediate comparisons to the infamous Shraddha Walkar murder case that had taken place in Delhi, in which a woman was killed and then her body chopped up by her boyfriend, who then disposed of the pieces over a long period of time. Well, let's go across to Pratibha now for more on this case. And Pratibha, the NCW has now taken cognizance and asked for a report. But what do we know so far in this entire matter?
What we know so far is that the police have split themselves into 4 different teams and are trying to find out if they could round up on the suspects, interrogate them, and also find out who really done it. The who and why still remains unanswered there. But in the meantime, what we also know is that there were no bloodstains available inside the house. So this could perhaps point to the fact that the chopping or the murder could have happened elsewhere, and they could have stored it or brought it over here and kept it inside the fridge. Now, Vayali Kawal, that is where the incident seems to have occurred, and it is considered one of the prominent residential areas here in the city, and also considered to be one of the safer locations there. And the fact that such an incident has happened has definitely sent shockwaves in Bengaluru. But of course, the police as well as the Home Ministry have promised that they would be zeroing on the suspect very soon and nabbing him as well. And the only question is as to when the arrest would really be made. And now that the NCW has also written a letter to the police to expedite this matter, all eyes are on when the arrest would take place. But in the meantime, yes, it will definitely take quite a number of days before Bengaluru recovers from the shock.